Yoga asanas are physical postures that form an integral part of yoga practice. The word asana comes from the Sanskrit word for seat and refers to the various positions that can be used to cultivate physical and mental well-being. There are hundreds of different yoga asanas, each with its own unique benefits. Here are some of the common types of yoga asanas. Standing poses. These poses help to strengthen the legs, core, and improve balance. Some examples of standing poses include Tadasana, mountain pose, Vrikshasana, tree pose, warrior eye pose. Seated poses. Seated poses help to stretch the hips, hamstrings, and spine. Some examples of seated poses include Sukhasana, easy pose, Konasana, bound angle pose, and Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend. Prone poses. Prone poses are performed lying on the stomach. These poses help to strengthen the back and core muscles. Some examples of prone poses include Bhujangasana, Cobra pose, Sirsasana, locust pose, and Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog, twists. Twisting poses help to improve spinal mobility and detoxify the internal organs. Some examples of twisting poses include Ardha Matsyendrasana, half spinal twist, Marikyasana I, Marichis pose I. Supine poses. Supine poses are performed lying on the back. These poses help to stretch the front of the body and relax the mind. Some examples of supine poses include Savasana, corpse pose, Satubandhasana, bridge pose, and Suptanglasana, reclined cobbler's pose. Inversions. Inversions are poses where the head is below the heart. These poses can help to improve circulation, boost energy levels, and enhance mental clarity. Some examples of inversions include Salamba Sarvangasana, supported shoulder stand, Sirsasana, headstand, and Pincha Mayurasana, forearm balance. The benefits of yoga asanas are numerous and well documented. Yoga can help to improve flexibility, strength, balance, and coordination. It can also help to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Yoga can also improve sleep quality, boost the immune system, and promote overall well-being.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক কমেন্ট ও শেয়ার করুন আর নিয়মিত আপডেট পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং বেল আইকনে গিয়ে ক্লিক করুন।